So what we have is a tool wrap from Adventure Tool Company. Now this one is made out of canvas, and they make these out of multiple materials, but they're made to hold all your tools and everything in one nice, easy place. That way, if you work out of this roll-up, when you're doing your mods and everything in the garage, you know exactly what tools you're going to need when you're out wheeling, and maybe you can reduce that 400 pounds of tools you're going to take with you down to 1 or 2 roll-ups. Don't need the whole toolbox. They have all these slots for different tools, right, for like welding pliers, regular wrenches, the bigger stuff on this end. Then they got these pouches that you can put everything in, and really nice YKK zippers. That end's got the zipper. This one's got a really nice Velcro with some pouches that allows you to keep just about everything in. Now the tool rack helps keep all your tools in one place so that when you got to grab them and you go, especially if you're repairing things on the trail, it's really nice. Adventure Tool also has different pouches and bags and all kinds of stuff, but if you're trying to keep things organized, this is a really good way to go. Then on the far end, there's a zipper here that allows you to, kind of hard to do this one hand, big storage area as well. So when we talked to Adventure Tool Company last year at EJS, they suggested putting a magnet in this little pocket so that way it'll hold tools and stuff. Right? But this is a really heavy canvas, so if you like that canvas, you know, that wax canvas look, feel, and smell, and if not, they have several different materials if you don't want canvas, different bags, and everything else. But what I like about it more than anything, fold it over, and then you can roll it up. And these straps, once they clip in, you can draw them down tight, keep it nice and condensed. So there's a big one there, made in America in Colorado. So now you can just grab and go. All right, so sometime Tool Time Tuesday is more about keeping your tools organized than it is the tool itself. They've got bags and wraps and all kinds of things. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share if you like this. And I'll see you here for places where you might have to get these out every now and then.